What's up, YouTube? You funny. What's up, YouTube? This V again, making another video. I'm out here at the auction. Got my kids with me today. It's Sunday. This is my truck right here. This the gold truck I've been telling y'all about. Yeah, it's time for it to go. That last video I showed y'all with the money, I told y'all I was ready to buy another truck. So we're gonna get to that later. But right now, I'm ready to sell this. This got to go. So just letting y'all see, you know, how we do it. We buy trucks, we sell trucks, we do all that shit. Run that shit through the auction, whatever.
What year is it?
It's a 07 Freightliner. No, we're not gonna turn it on. Just showing YouTube about to sell it. And here go the other trucks, y'all. Y'all see my truck. So now I'm just letting y'all see the other trucks.
Let them know what auction that.
Yeah, this Ritchie Brothers. Yeah, y'all see it right here on the hat. Ritchie Brothers Auto Auction. Yeah.
Where is it located? Where you located
Northeast
at?
Maryland.
Come on, let's walk and look at the other stuff.
Yeah, y'all see this right here? Look at this Peterbilt right here. I like this right here. Come on, let them see the inside. You gotta come on the driver's side.
You little mini-me's.
Nah, don't get in, y'all. Come on, let mommy show the inside. Come on, camera the inside. Show them the inside. Let us just show the inside.
This one kind of dirty. They didn't clean this one out too good.
See, look. Let them see how it start up. We got a check engine light on. Let them see the check engine light. But that ain't nothing, though. That could be anything, you know. Depending on what you get the truck for. Get out. Watch out. Watch out. Come on, watch out. Let me show y'all some other trucks too. Look at this Volvo, y'all. See the Volvos? I ain't gonna keep getting in and out the truck, starting them up, because I got the kids out here with me and they getting in and out too. So I just want y'all to see, you know, what's going on. That's all. I ain't gonna keep getting in and out the truck, starting it up. I just want y'all to see that, you know, just come to the auction, just like buying a car. It's easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. That's all. Just showing y'all. That's all. Let's look at some more trucks. Y'all see these Peterbilts right here?
Also, this is a great place to come if you want to get your own truck, first starting out in the own operator.
Nah, hell no. You come here and get your first truck. You gotta know about trucks. Why would you come here and get your first truck? You might get some garbage. I think you should come here after you learn a little bit of stuff.
Oh, okay.
Once you learn the game a little bit, then you'll know what to look for. If you come here to get your first truck, you don't know what you're looking for. You might get some garbage, then you're gonna be fucked up. You done spent all your money, now you fucked up. No, you get in the game, like I said I did. You get with like an owner operator or something, and you get your feet wet. You save up a little bit of money, and then you buy a truck. You gotta take your time when you buy a truck. Don't come to the auction and get your first truck. Watch out, y'all, come on. Let this guy go by. See? Look, y'all, you can even drive the trucks around in a little early. You get a feel of them. Come on, let's look at some more trucks. Here, look at the Max day cab. See
So
the
you
Volvo?
brought one of your trucks from here and 3 trailers?
Yeah. I bought my Volvo day cab from here. I bought my first truck, the truck y'all see me with, the green truck. That was my first truck. Got the 60 Series Detroit. I bought that from a guy who got out of the business. He was an owner-operator, and he had some medical issues, and he got out of the business, and he sold me that truck for $6,000. That's what I'm saying. The first truck you buy, you want something that you could take your time with. You don't want to just come to the auction because, you know, it's tricky at the auction. So you don't really know what you're looking for. Unless you got a mechanic and that's somebody that really know what they're looking for, then yeah, I will come here and get my first truck. But if you don't know the business, nah, don't come to the auction and get your first truck. I wouldn't. You know, if you could do whatever you want to do. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm just showing y'all
And
some of the
that's,
things I be doing.
and that's when you bought the second truck, the day cab from here, and you
Yep.
bought a trailer.
Yep.
But you also had a mechanic that helped you, right?
Yep. My mechanic, he cool. He like a homeboy. He was coming up here to buy him something too. So I kind of used that to my advantage. I knew he was coming up here. He was getting some a service truck, you know, because they got all kinds of stuff up here. So being as though he was already up here, I was looking around and I had him looking at stuff with me. And when we saw the Volvo day cab, he said that was a good truck. So I went on and jumped on it.
Tell them about your feelings, how you feel about the Volvo truck.
Volvo is a good truck. It's a good truck. It's not better than the Freightliner with the. It's a better truck than the Freightliner, but the motor. I got a Detroit 60 Series in the Freightliner. That's a better motor than that Volvo motor. But the Volvo is a better truck because it rides smooth. It's, you know, overall, it's a better truck. See that? Look at that International day cab, y'all. Look at that. That shit right there. Where cab?
Over there.
See that little day cab? That shit probably go for about. I had to make sure my son was good. See this little shit right here? This shit probably go for like $3,000-4,000. It ain't even that dirty on the inside for real. Look at the, come on the driver's side. Look at the driver's side. Watch out. Look at it right here. Watch out. That mommy looking at it.
It's not that bad.
I mean, that shit probably go for like $3,000, $3,500. And if it don't go for it, I wouldn't spend no more than $3,000. So it is what it is.
We have to go get the car.
Look at this Kenworth. I'm gonna y'all. Now, look at this Kenworth, YouTube. Look at this shit.
The white one.
I want them to see these right here. I gotta get this on. Come on, keep up with me, cause when you go far, they can't hear me. Come over here. I gotta get this. I gotta get this on camera for y'all not to get. Don't ever get this truck right here. This shit right here. I don't give a fuck if it's your first truck, your 50th truck. I don't care how much experience you got. Don't get this. This shit is trash. I'm not even gonna look in that shit. It's probably clean. Come on. Now look, this I like this right here. Look how clean this motherfucker is. Go in there. show that. Try to get the whole thing.
Woo.
I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Sound good too. Y'all see that? 748,662. It's alright right here. I like this right here. This is something nice. Alright. Turn it on. You good? See, y'all, we can't really make too much of a good video because we got the kids out here, and my girl, she not such a good camera person. You see, she all over the place with the camera. So
That's not nice.
I'm just doing my best with y'all, just to show y'all how to do it, y'all. See, look, all these is old Walmart trucks. Y'all see, look at the row. Look at the row. All that old Walmart trucks. Walmart sent all the old trucks up here to get auctioned off. So y'all can see, if y'all know Walmart take care of their shit, here you go, right here. Show the inside of this Cascadia real quick. Wait a minute. Watch out.
It's just hard getting up and down off these big trucks. And Cameron.
You got it good? Alright.
For the most part. Basically.
Alright, watch out. Alright, we're gonna get some more. Come on.
Oh, man.
I want you to go get my keys.
Okay, you gotta wait a minute.
Alright, y'all. Now look, YouTube. I'm not gonna walk through the whole auction and video the whole auction, but it's trailers, it's dump trucks, tractors, trailers, box trucks. It's everything you can think of up here. Excavators, every piece of machinery you can think of is up here. But I'm not gonna walk through the whole auction and cause I got the kids out here with me, and y'all see they all over the place, so I got, watch out for them. But I just wanted to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, how I do it. Like I
That'd
said,
be an hour-long video. You do that.
yeah. But I got it's like I said, it's trailers over there too. But them trailers be going for like it all depends what condition they in. They go from 1,500, 10, 20,000. Depends on how new they is and the condition. But you can get a good trailer up here for a good $3,000-4,000. So yeah. But yeah, y'all see how it is, man. Just showing y'all this the auction, Ritchie Brothers. This how it is. And I'm ready to sell my truck. I'm running my shit through. I'm a video camera that shit. When it go through, I'm gonna show y'all what it go for. Come on, that's we ain't gotta walk. You wanna walk down?
Oh, that's a long walk.
Alright, YouTube. I'll holler at y'all. If I think of anything else, I'll make another video.